Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you paid courses for free which is related to cybersecurity and Linux operating system. If you want to learn Linux operating system, then you must enroll the first course. Our first course is related to Linux fundamentals for cybersecurity and which is ethical hacking basics. The UI of Linux operating system is not that much user friendly, but after completing this course, you are going to become a professional Linux user, as you are going to learn the Linux command line from scratch easily and effectively. This course have total 11 sections with 27 lectures. In first 3 sections, you are going to learn how to operate Linux operating system on VMware. Also, using this first 3 sections, you are going to learn how to operate command line of Linux operating system on any browser. After successfully setting up environment, you are going to start it with basic commands and then file editor. Inside file editor, you are going to learn about Vim and Nano. And then you are going to learn about network commands and many more things. Also in this course, you are going to get a bonus lecture too. So I request you all to enroll as early as possible, as this course is free for only 2 days. Let's know something about the instructor of this course. Instructor have more than 2 years of ethical hacking experience with pen tester, bug bounty hunter. He is also an Android app developer. So this is all about our first course, guys. So I request you once again to enroll in this course as early as possible. The course code will expire in 2 days, that is on 28th August. Our second course is related to ethical hacking fundamentals, which is free only for 6 hours. So after successful completion of this Linux fundamentals, you can enroll for this course. So that's it guys for today's video. If you want such free courses, then subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you want to sponsor your course on this channel, then you can contact with me Gmail. I'm including the Gmail ID in the description below, as well as the course link also. Enroll in this course as early as possible. Thank you guys.